Welcome to WebStylePress. How can we make an element go full screen or make it take full screen height in HTML and CSS? There are many ways. So here we have a container div with class container with some text in it. It's got a background color. We've got HTML body with margin 0, padding 0 and container. We want container to take full height. So one way is to simply use height 100 VH for the container. For the actual div, use height 100 VH. It's viewport height. Relative length units. VH and VW are relative to viewport's height and width respectively. So use height 100 VH. 100% won't work. But if you use 100% height for body and 100% height for HTML, then it will work. So use height 100% for HTML, for body, and for that element. That will make the element go full screen or take full height. So here is another way. In HTML, use display grid and use min height 100%. And for the container, for the actual div, use height 100%. It will work. You can also use height 100% for HTML. That will also work. Or for the container, you can use position absolute with the top and bottom 0. That will also work. But if you ask me, height 100 VH is easy and flexible. Let me know your opinion. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.